Now I'm bringing y'all along to behind the scenes of making some content, because while my nails are so fresh and hair is still look good, we about to get this content rolling so I can post in the new year. Alright guys, now we're going to unbox Banter. They had a buy one get one free sale, so me and Mommy got some stuff. Alright guys, I'm back checking in my Pandora, my Banter, and my Glamaholic lifestyle new items. Now I'm about to unbox my camera. I had to charge my phone up real quick, so I took a little 30-minute break, but we're back. Lens that I have from Sony. I got Sony ZV-E10. It took me a long time to figure out which one I wanted, but we got it figured out. I got the kit lens as well. I should have got the whole little kit thing, but it's fine. Oh, sorry. Yeah, R&B only. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're finally about to get started. I got me a drink. Yeah.
They asked me, what are you bringing to this stage? It's a completely different world. You know, you come from R&B, it was a country stage. And I said, well, actually, R&B and soul music is the foundation of country music. There would be genres if it was not for black music.
Slide, whip it to how we feelin'. You never see since we fell in love, girl, I see. I'll be yours too. If you want to hear peaches and cream, that's right. You already know. Noise if you want to hear no, no, no. If you want to hear cater to you. Wait. Ladies, hold on. I want to make sure I ride. Ooh, make sure I ride. Sit. You're in that chair. Lean on me. There's not a minute. I want to get off you. I still remember in the day. The way you make
happy Black History Month. Me and Charity are here.
Hey y'all.
We are about to go to our first Legacy Classic at the Prudential Center by Legacy. QQC. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, we just made it. Drove all the way to Jersey from Delaware. And we about to go see Hampton versus Howard and Jackson State versus Grambling State. But all the bands should be here. Yes. So stay tuned, y'all, for the vlog. We hit the split and I missed it. Hey.
Just looking at you guys, it brings joy to my heart.
Fill me up till my cup's overflowing.